Novara City, Sri Lanka. Today 8th December, morning 8 o'clock, breakfast at Red Area Hotel.
Omelette, what was your omelette?
Let's see.
Oh, front.
Coconut chutney, sambal they are doing. Red chutney. Grilled tomato. This is parsley potato. Looking good. Chicken, fish, some idlis also we can find here. Idlis. Seeing hoppers. Sting hoppers are very fancy. Hoppers. Milk rice, coconut based milk rice also there are cakes like selling the milk rice. Jaggery చాలా చిన్న చిన్న పీసెస్ చేసి అమ్ముతూ ఉన్నారు. ఇంగ్లీష్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, ట్రికాలే, కర్డ్. So nice green one. Fresh juices also available here. There are two mixed fruit juice and the juice. Some more tiffins are there.